Hello friends, welcome to the Surviving Daily YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a tailgate unboxing of the Gooloo GP4000 battery booster and power bank. But first we're going to talk about these jumper cables. Jumper cables are great in a pinch, but if used improperly, they can be very dangerous and cause damage to your vehicle. They can cause sparks, even fire, and they can even damage your car's computer system, making your car inoperable for a lot more money. So today we have this coming in. We will be unboxing it. Full disclosure, this is my second one that I've purchased. First one somehow ended up in my kid's car. Not a bad thing. Everybody should have one. Let's see, let's get started here. So, looking promising, looking just like the last one I bought. So the Gooloo GP4000 Titan series. It's jump starter. 4,000 peak current amps. Best for gas engines, and can jumpstart a vehicle with up to 10 liters. It has overcharge protection, overcurrent protection, short circuit protection, reverse polarity protection, low temp protection, high temp protection, over voltage protection, and overload protection. So that is the box. Let's get started on opening this. Look at that. Look at that nice case that it comes in. Nice and hard. Not crush proof, but I think it's pretty sturdy. Let's see. All right. So first we got a nice divider here. And let's break the bad boy out. Obviously, they want you to fully charge it before using, but as you can see, it comes pretty well charged. Has a nice flashlight feature on it, which I accidentally turned on. Strobe. Another strobe. Oh, that's SOS. All right. Let's break this bad boy off. All right. So we have a 5 volt, 9 volt USB charge, another USB port, a type C in and out USB port. This is where you'll be charging it, plus you can use it to charge other devices, USB-C devices. Inside the case comes your user manual and some warnings. Do not squeeze or charge this unit anymore when it's overheated or swelled to avoid accident. You can take a quick look at that. We won't go through all the warnings. Let's see, we also have where you put your jumper cables, and a nice little feature here. You can plug in higher output devices, 15 volt, 10 amp, and we'll show you what that's best used with in 1 second. All right, so this is a nice that they actually provide the box to go with it. Cable, USB, regular USB and USB-C. You have your jumper cables. If you see here, you have a reverse polarity light, correct polarity light, and a power boost button, just in case you need a quick boost. And then you have a accessory or cigarette lighter adapter for that port right there, where you can plug in laptops and other low draw items. I would not recommend plugging in a refrigerator or an air conditioner. You'll quickly destroy this device. Let's see how easy it is to plug this in. And as you can see, the light turned on. Now, it doesn't start charging until you connect these to the battery and it decides that it's connected correctly. So there you have it. There's the unboxing of the Gooloo GP4000 jump starter and power bank. I appreciate you tuning in today, and I hope everybody has a great day.